True Dimension sheer lipstick colors. Are you recording already?
Yes.
You starting already?
Yes.
There was like no intro. Yeah. My name is Adriza. Today we are going to try out 15 colors of True Dimension lipsticks, 11 colors of True Dimensions and 4 colors of True Dimensions sheer lipsticks. What's great about True Dimension lipsticks is that it is infused with a skincare formula. So while you wear it, it heals your lips instantly. So it is very great for those who have sensitive lips. You can use this as a treatment for your lips. So without further ado, let's try out all colors. Alright guys, with all that 15 colors that's been shown to you, I want to share with you that there is a promotion for this November, only for this November. Buy 3 colors of True Dimension lipsticks, you get one of the 4 colors of the True Dimension sheer lipstick. So get in touch with your beauty consultant. If you do not have a beauty consultant, contact me and I will consult the best color for you that is suitable for you and your skin. Wait for my next video and I'll see you again next time. Bye!
It looks like... What? You're recording? Are you seriously? You're recording? Kill you later.